Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So guys, today this is a pre-recorded video. Myself and Manish has an event today to attend in the evening. But we'll still keep eyes on the channel and the chats. If you have any further questions, do let us know in the comment section below. So let's share my screen. So we have Robert Belfort, right? Wolf of Wall Street, believes Dogecoin Shiba Inu creators should be sent to prison. So, Jordan Belfort, a former Wall Street trader, notorious public figure, believes the meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are a complete hoax and thinks that their founders should be in prison. The real Wolf of Wall Street, a nickname that Jordan Belfort earned for stealing thousands of dollars in fraudulent stock sales, considers himself a cryptocurrency market enthusiast, and he does not support the tokens with a system that loses money. Belfort, now a motivational speaker, specifically stated in an interview that he is a fan of blockchain technology, but there's a lot of nonsense out there. Belfort went after the meme coins in his recent interview with a UK-based tabloid, The Sun. The infamous American entrepreneur said that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, the two most popular cryptocurrency, have no real value or no use. He then goes further step to say that the sole purpose of shitcoins was to separate people from money, questioning their ability to make people richer. Although there has been many stories of lucky buyers making their fortunes with Shiba Inu, there are infinitely more people who have been crushed by the same corner of sensation, according to Belfort. You hear crazy stories of people making millions and billions, but for every person of that, 10,000 or 1 million people will get their shit in Shiba Inu. It's not a good investment. He went on to say that the creators of meme coins such as MILF Coin are unscrupulous people who start the coins and then get into a chat room and saying things that are blatantly illegal. People should go to jail, seriously. They are not legitimate. There's no way they ever are going to work. However, he isn't against all cryptocurrency. He believes that government regulations would actually be a good thing for well-established blue-chip coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. There have been a lot of calls to governments to regulate the crypto space. The crypto market lacks regulation like traditional financial firms, leaving investors with risks of extreme volatility. Investors do not have any form of assurance or security in case of problems. As such, Belfort pointed out that people are taking advantage of this unregulated crypto industry. Shiba Inu is trading at 0.00043 with a dip of 5.48% in its value in the last 24 hours. As per CoinGecko, the meme-based cryptocurrency has maintained a bullish streak for more than a week, increasingly to 13.8. Now, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and you are trading in meme, let us know in the comment section below what do you think about this article. Robert Belfort, one of the top guys, if you have watched, I think
he was very hard. Yeah, but it makes sense. Yeah, he was very hard to this Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, but yes, it makes sense.
There's a lot of other crypto, Manish.
Yeah,
similar,
lots
they're
of
falling,
cryptos,
right?
similar falling, right?
There's only, maybe if my estimates is right, 15,000
like,
crypto.
People who created making good money, and then some little drops goes to people like us.
And maybe there one or two that gets lucky, they flood the marketing, and then other people rush, the fear of missing out and coming in. So I think we come to this conclusion, guys. You got to be very clear in terms of the value proposition. Yeah, at Root Zones, myself and Manish, we use our own money to invest in new projects, into shitcoins sometimes, just to test out and share with the community, so you don't have to spend your money. You can learn from our faults, our own experience. So that's so much for Jordan Belfort. Good one, good article. And the second one that I have, increased utility for DeFi NFT back Ethereum's 3-year high in its Ethereum paired with BTC. So Ethereum price hit a new all-time high with a classic technical pattern analysis suggests the altcoin has more upside, right? This week, Ethereum price was about the new 2021 high against Bitcoin, bringing it to its year-to-date returns slightly above 350% in according to the technical analysis. The rally could extend even further. On December 1st, the bid for ETC and BTC pair hit a 0.0835 on Coinbase for the first time this year. Now, the upside move came from the part of uptrend and started mid-October after even bottomed out against Bitcoin at 0.06 to carve out 41% of price retracement. Now, growing adoption, of course, propelled Ethereum boom, reflect deep interest in Ethereum, which is currently the world's leading smart contract platform by users and market cap. This is slightly different scenarios from Bitcoin, typically function as a speculative hedge against inflation across all global economies. As late, Ethereum has become the core asset within the crypto growth sector like NFTs, DeFi, and the metaverse. Now, the firms operating in this space require Ethereum to run their smart contract, which in turn has increased the demand for the altcoin and supported a steady uptrend in its price. Now, the demand for Ethereum is expected to remain robust in the next coming year, and this is a simple fact as many analysts projecting the price of Ethereum to be 6,000 to 10,000 range. Now, Matt Maley, the chief marketing strategist of Miller Tabak Company, anticipated additional gains of Ethereum should it break the mid-November high around 4,009. According to Maley, the Bitcoin bulls remain under pressure near the currency mid-November and mid-April highs of 69,000 and 65,000. Now, it will show that Ethereum has become the new crypto of choice for most investors. The technical outlook of Ethereum against Bitcoin has been suggested stronger bull runs for the former future. Now, the prolonged bullish breakout could be in play. The latest buying of the Ethereum and BTC breakout above multi-month resistance trend lines that constitute to the ascending triangle pattern, and now the pair eyes are extended the bull run towards 0.1 BTC as shown in this chart. So you can see that we are going into the ascending triangle, so it will get smaller and then there will be a breakout. Now, the question is whether we'll be breaking out above or breaking out below. But looking at the current macro trends, we seem to be bullish. So this might extend till March, who knows. So typically the extended triangle is a continuation of patterns, meaning they tend to stay in the same price in the direction of the previous trend by as much as the maximum height between the upper and the lower trend lines when measured from the breakout point. So let's see, guys. We don't know what's going to happen, but we still have another month before the close of 2021. In another news, India to regulate, not ban crypto. Cabinet documents. India crypto investors will reportedly be given the specific time frame to declare their crypto holdings and hold their assets on crypto exchanges regulated by SEBI. Now, according to the reports from local media, the Indian government will not move an outright ban on crypto, but instead regulate the sector. Cointelegraph reported that the Indian government was considering a bill proposing the creation of the official digital currency, which imposed a ban on all private cryptocurrencies. The news sparks panic selling on local crypto exchanges WazirX, and the following day, the bill, vague words, and a lack of clarification from the government have seen left many onlookers divided on the prospect for crypto in India. But India news outlet NDTV reported on Thursday that it has obtained details of the cabinet note circulating in the government regarding the proposed crypto bill. NDTV reported Sunil Prabhu said that the note contains suggestions to regulate cryptocurrency as crypto assets with the Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, overseeing the regulation of local crypto exchanges. Now, according to Prabhu, investors will be given specific time frame to declare their crypto holdings and transfer them to an exchange regulated by SEBI, which suggests the private wallets may be banned. He added that this is part of the push from government to prevent money laundering and terrorism financing. Prabhu also said that the government will put its plan for central bank digital currency CBDC with a Reserve Bank of India RBI on hold while it focuses on crypto sector. It will not allow any crypto asset to be recognized as currency or legal tender, suggests that it's aiming to provide a clear distinction between the two. Cryptocurrency as a legal tender will not be accepted. There is a clear no. I think that when it comes to Prime Minister in his deliberations at the meeting made absolutely clear to ensure that this does not take place. Some India crypto investors have welcomed the reports of NDTV. Redditor posted in the cryptocurrency subreddit expressing relief at potential no longer have to worry about the outright ban. It seems that the India crypto movement is getting noticed by the government, and they are finally deciding to regulate cryptocurrency as crypto assets and not recognized as a legal tender. All in, it's a sigh of relief for us Indian folks. I rather pay some tax than become an outcast.
Very nice. Powerful. I think, yeah, there is no risk now, at least. There, of course, if a country want to bring some regulations, that's fine, but it shouldn't be a totally ban.
Agreed. So that's all I have in some top market news for you guys. I'm going to hand over to Manish for the next segment. While he prepares that, do join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 10 p.m. Singapore time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, so at CoinDesk, I found one very interesting article for 2021, and this will be also applicable for your 2022, earning top six crypto passive income generators for 2021. So I think this will be applicable and will continue for 2022. So earning interest on an idle crypto asset is a great way of making your money work for you. We all are hodlers. We are holding so many coins. So why don't we make some money from that holdings? And there are some other way also, which I'll be revealing shortly by going through this article. So guys, passive income in a money generated from a venture in which an individual is or is not actively involved. For the most part, all you need to do is invest your money or a digital assets in a particular crypto investment strategy or platform and watch it generates profit. So the typical way many try to make return in a crypto with a little to no involvement is through buying and holding cryptos, also known in the industry as hodling. This means an investor is prepared to purchase digital assets with the mindset that the price will hopefully rise significantly and sometime in the future we will sell it off. So a way to earn passive income, I think we have covered a lot in our previous videos, which is proof of staking. Proof of stake is a type of blockchain consensus mechanism designed to allow distributed network participant to reach an agreement to a new data entering the blockchain. Note that the blockchain enable open and decentralized networks where participants contribute to a governance process involved in validating transactions. So this is a critical because such community focused approach is eliminate the need for a central authority like a bank. So guys, what this process proposes become an official validator and run through the proof of staking. You have to create a staking node and you can earn the gas fee. So the proof of stake blockchains you could consider are Cardano, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana. So far, Root Zones also were trying to step inside the validation. So far, we have not started yet, but soon we'll be revealing some of the validation process and how we can make some passive incomes using the validation. So we are working on certain nodes and try to get some passive incomes by validating the blockchains. So let's see whether I can explore this Cardano, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana for the proof of stake. And if we come out with the videos, hopefully I'll share with you guys on a how-to sections.
Let us know in the comment section below if you want Manish to actually cover that video. If passive income is something that you're looking at, let us know in the comment section.
Yeah. And the other one is interest-bearing digital asset account. I think these are the couple of way to earn money. I think Wayne also cover. He has a how-to video for Celsius, how you can get an interest on your holdings in a Celsius. He's getting every Monday some kind of passive income. So that was also shared in the video. So if you have not checked that out, you can go to how-to section and check that video. So on this sections, hodlers can take advantage of interest-bearing crypto account to earn fixed interest on their idle digital assets. Some of the exchange provide a great reward if you are holding in their platforms. Think this is a putting a money in an interest earning bank account. The only difference is that the service supports only a crypto deposit. Instead of holding a digital assets in your wallet, you can deposit them into these accounts and receive daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly earnings depending on the predefined interest rate. So crypto services providers that offer such product include Nexo, Celsius Network, Swissborg, and BlockFi. So these are the exchange and the wallets who provide this kind of digital assets interest bearing service. The next one is lending. Lending also I have come up with one of video. I think you can just check that out. I created a video for a KuCoin and KuCoin how the lending works. You can get some returns from a lending as well. You can check that out the video. However, the lending has become one of the most popular crypto service in both the centralized and decentralized segment of the crypto industry. As an investor, you can lend your digital assets to borrow for a chance to earn interest. There are four main lending strategy you could opt for. First one is peer-to-peer lending. Platform that provides a service enables systems that allow users to set their terms, decide the amount they want to lend, and interest they intend to generate on a loan. So you can communicate with the peer-to-peer networks, and you whatever the strategy you have defined it, you can set that to a borrower and you can get certain amount of interest. Then the next one in this lending is centralized lending. In this strategy, you rely solely on the lending infrastructure of third party. Here, the interest rates are fixed, so are the lockup period. So I think KuCoin and many other exchange provide these features where they have a set of a defined interest, and if you are putting your money on certain cryptos and allowing it to lend it, you will get a certain percentage by lending those cryptos. The next one in this lending section is a decentralized or a DeFi lending. It's quite risky, guys, because you have to use your wallets, and decentralized always a risky until you are very technical savvy, you know where the blockchain networks, because sometimes what happens is when you transfer to a wallet and you choose a wrong network, you may lose the money. So there are risks involved there. Before you use this decentralized lending, you should be more crypto savvy before you go and explore this. So this strategy allow users to execute lending service directly on the blockchain, unlikely the P2P and centralized lending strategies. But there is no intermediate involved on a DeFi lending. Instead, lenders and borrowers interact with the programmable and smart contracts, self-executing contracts, which autonomously and periodically set the interest rate. And the last one in the lending is margin lending. Lastly, you could lend your crypto assets to a trader interested in using borrowed fund to trade. So this is something. Next one, the cloud mining. We as in Root Zones are very much interested. We are exploring this as well, and we'll come up with how-to videos for this, because this is something which we can avoid keeping our systems desktops or laptops powered on 24 hours. So why don't we set this on a cloud mining and just take advantage of mining? So unlikely the proof of stake mechanism explained earlier, some blockchains including Bitcoin opt for a more computer intensive approach where user need to prove the eligibility of their claims to become a validators by competing against each other to solving high complex mathematical puzzles. This process is called crypto mining. Due to competitiveness of this consensus mechanism, miners have to invest in the powerful computers and pay exorbitant electricity bills. So undoubtedly, this venture is time consuming and technical. So investor opt for an alternate approach called a cloud mining. With this, you can pay a third party to take up the technical aspect of the crypto mining on your behalf, and you pay a platform that offers such services a lump sum to rent or buy mining machines from their mining facilities. After this first payment, you might have to pay a daily maintenance fee so that the cloud mining service provider can help you to manage your mining rigs. um, yeah, this sounds exciting. It comes with lots of risk. So I'm also looking for lots of cloud mining platforms and exploring future. Exploring this, Amazon started offering mining in the cloud for the China cryptocurrency. So let me also explore this Amazon service and see whether we can leverage on this Amazon Web Services. This is one of the powerful articles which I am keeping eyes on, and trying to find more details about it so that we can leverage on a mining side and using our cloud computing process. Then next one and the final one is yield farming. Yield farming is another decentralized or a DeFi method of earning passive crypto incomes. This is made possibly by a dynamic operation of decentralized exchange, which are basically trading platforms where users rely on the combination of smart contracts and investors for the liquidity necessary to execute traders. So in this, what happen is you can use your the holding tokens and put it on a farming or a pool farming. So you have to lock your crypto assets for a certain period of time, and as a reward, you will be getting a tokens which you can redeem in US dollars. So the platform which offers such yield farming is Uniswap, Aave, or a Pancake Swap on a Binance Smart Chain network. So these are the passive income areas which you can explore further. Yeah, we have covered in the past many of them, like a staking. We have covered lending. Probably in upcoming videos, we are going to cover about the cloud mining and the validations, the proof of stake validations, which we want to explore as well. So that's all for the how to sections. Moving on to the market update.
Thanks, Manisha, for sharing that. Let's see, as we are having the thing, I'm just actually looking at the charts. It is a bloodbath, guys. So right now there's extreme fear in the market, right? You can see the fear and greed index for the cryptocurrencies. We had from the 9th of November onwards, we had just had it became fear-based, and all the fears, the narrative all start to stack. You can see even the US stock market, the fear index is climbing up. This was again the C19 that happened last year. Now we are again climbing back in the US stock market. It is a bloodbath, guys. Full red today. We are looking at a 20% drop. So the whales are dumping, right? People are dumping, and then to stack on that, people are dropping, right? 15,000 coins, 400 over exchanges, 2.1 trillion, guys. We just got about 400 billion wiped from the market. Bitcoin and of course Ethereum takes dominance of the total crypto space. Top 3 coins that is heavily hit: Doge, Dash, Shiba, and Rocket. Last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 16%, Ethereum 16%, BNB 13%, Solana down by 18%, Cardano 20%, XRP 23%, Polkadot 21%, and wow, Doge out of the top 10, Luna down by 16%. So Avalanche, Doge.
Doge is 15 cents.
Yeah, so crazy times, guys. But remember, premium coins.
How about Hero? What is the pricing going on? Hero and
we'll come to that, Manish. Yeah, we'll come to that shortly. So let me go to the price prediction again. Price prediction: Bitcoin is 98,000 to 250, Ethereum 10 to 15,000. When I say 10 to 15,000, sometimes I can't believe now that it's under 4,000.
I think this is the time to invest on Ethereum.
Yeah, this is the best time to buy if you guys are trading on things that is on the Ethereum platform, right? So BNB $1,000, Solana 2 to 350, Cardano $3 to $5, XRP $20, Polkadot 85 to 100, Luna. I have not done my research, but it's something that we will do. I will cover shortly. And yeah, previously I think Avalanche, I can't even remember now, but Dogecoin $1. So let's check out the market. Look at this big deep market of the 2.5 trillion now. We actually can see it actually happened just last 3 days ago. We are looking at a 30% dip in the market. So BTC also would have followed the same suite. Looking at some of the gaming coins, Block also is now 9 cents. It's dipping further. So for those who are not in, this is the best time to actually get in. Hero also took a bit of a beating. Hero is right now at 18 cents. TCP sadly now dropped 11 cents. So wow, all these coins. Now Mana, let's look at Mana. Mana dropped as low as $2.21. Gala at 41 cents. Sandbox $4.90. So we are looking across the board about a 25% discount, guys. We see this as a buying opportunity. If you have cash flow and cash reserves, this is the best time to buy. So of course, I like to pick up things like Ethereum. I like to pick up things like Bitcoin. BNB. I like to pick up Matic. So Matic looked crazy. The drop was super crazy. This drop was close to 30%. So you're getting a Matic. If you get into Matic, you're getting a 30% discount. AVAX also is one of my other favorite tokens. This is great to buy. And recently I've been purchasing FTM. So now I will be buying more FTM at this price, right? So good buys now, guys. Something to take note. And as always, do support our channel, like our videos. At least more people we can reach and build a community in our Telegram group, a small growing community of about 200. And every time that you guys find certain thing new, we do our research and we share with you. We do testing, we lose money or we make money, both the good and the bad, you get to know. So with that, that's all I have today. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
Yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. And see you live. And when this video goes live tonight, we'll see you in a chat.
Yeah, we'll see you in the chat. Take care, guys. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest.